Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the Chebe powder for length retention, and I'll be using of course the Dara herbs, also from Dara Bodyworks, Chebe powder, and I'll be using the Chebe oil moisture grow hair leave-in conditioner, and I'll also be using the Dara Bodyworks Chebe oil. So I'll be combining these three products for my application day. I'm reapplying the Chebe mixture. So let's go make some Chebe powder mixture. Scoop 1 or 2 teaspoons of Chebe powder. Add your desired amount of leave-in conditioner. Add few drops of Chebe peppermint oil. We mix the base in a plastic or a wood or glass preferably bowl. Stir until it becomes a smooth creamy paste. You can adjust the quantity based on your hair thickness and length. Chebe mixture. Section your hair into 4 to 6 parts for easier application. Avoid scalp contact, only apply to the hair strands. Slightly damp your hair or spray it with water or any herbal mix. Take each section and apply the Chebe mixture Only apply it to the air shaft 2 to 3 inches away from your scalp and focus on the hands and also the weak spots. Seal and style. After applying the Chebe mixture into your hair, braid or twist each section and lock in moisture with your Chebe Super Grow Hair Grease or the peppermint oil. Cover your hair with satin or a silk scarf or bonnet. Style as usual as part of your weekly regimen. You can use it often, every 4 to 7 days, weekly, depending on your routine. This can also be part of your protective style routine. All the links to the product is in the description, and you can also shop at darabodyworks.com or daraherbs.com to get your Chebe powder and your hair grease, Chebe hair grease, and also your Chebe oil conditioner. And that's it for today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe and also like, share, and see you in my next video. Bye. Have a blessed week.